Good morning students. We learnt simple present tense, right? Now our another tense is that the simple past tense. और हमारा जो नया टॉपिक है आज का वो है simple past tense. Now past tense as a name suggests मतलब past हो गया, जो चीज़ हो गई उसको डिनोट करने के लिए हम past tense यूज़ करते हैं. That you done your work yesterday. Yes, आपने अपना काम कल कर दिया था. You did your work yesterday. Now generally verb forms I explain you in a chapter number 5, that is verb forms. That verb forms in past tense we use the past form of the verb, only past form. That past form में हमने क्या सीखा था? If the verb is work, then if verb is work, then its past tense will be worked. उसका क्या हो जाएगा? Worked. Only simple add ed, then the verb change into past form. Then another rules we already discussed in chapter number 5. Here some structure for our past tense are that we know the singular and plural pronouns. Here singular pronoun I, that is first person. Whenever we also know about the first person, second person and third person. First person who's speaking, that I speaking, right? Then you are listener, you are second person, and we talk to another person, that is the third person, right? Here the first person I and singular and plural we. If you are saying something, then whole class will request us, then what you say, that we are, right? So here the we is a plural form of the first form. Then take work here, and in for past tense is worked. First person singular is or use both the side work. Here also the same, here the same in third person, and fourth in plural also the worked, worked and worked. The verb form for, as we discussed earlier in simple present tense, that third person singular verb will change with s or es, right? Otherwise it is another pronouns that the base form is there. But here in past tense it is ed form is used for denote the past form for all the pronouns, right? Now for example, I worked, right? This is the sentence, मैंने काम किया. Then first sentence is I worked. मुझे अभी इसका क्वेश्चन बनाना है, right? First I want to make is interrogative, then the to be form for like simple present tense is do and does is there. Here only one to be form is did. What it is? Did. Then the question will be did. If first time is this is the past form of the do. Do का जो है ये क्या है? Past form है. किसका? Do का. Then did I, it is past tense na, so once it's used past tense, then we cannot write the ed form of the verb. Then write the work and make question mark. Understand how to make question interrogative sentences? Here like this. Now to make negative sentences, I did not, once again its past form is used, right? So we do not don't write the past form of work, right? Like this way we can change all the pronunciations. ये जितने भी first person, second person and third person के singular और plural इन सब के जितने भी फॉर्म्स बनेंगे या सेंटेंसेस बनेंगे, तो उनका हम इस तरह से इंट्रोगेटिव भी बना सकते हैं और क्या बना सकते हैं बेटा? नेगेटिव भी बना सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ इफ द प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज देयर, as I told you that continuity is denote with the verb form which has ing. Ending of verbs is ing. But ing, if they use the ing, then the to be form of past continuous tense के लिए बेटा was and were are to be form for past continuous tense. Here you can see with I it is was, you it's were, then he, she, it's was, and in plural we use were. In short, where in a simple present tense we use am and is, we use here was. Got it? I am होता था, उसकी जगह हमने I was past form denote करने के लिए. Then जहाँ पे is और am था वहाँ पे हमने change किया was. But all the plurals and second person singular use are instead of are, we use here were in past continuous tense. Right beta? So this is are some rules for past tense. And how can you make negative of was and were? Was और were में आप कैसे negative बना? Yes. एक और चीज़ बेटा, if you write did not and you want to write the short form of the did not, you can write I didn't work, right? If I was working, if I write I was working yesterday, this is the sentence, right? I was working yesterday. If I want to make question of this sentence, then it is was I. Only what I can do, that the to be form put first and the subject put secondary, right? Was I working yesterday? If I want to make negative sentence, then I write that I was not working yesterday, right? If I want to make short form of was not, that is wasn't, right? So I wasn't working yesterday, right? So if you want to make a list of short form, it is given on page number 40 in your grammar book. That is did not, then didn't, was not is wasn't, and were not, that is weren't, right? This is some short form of the to be form in for the past tense, and this is the way, this is our some rules, this is the way we can learn change our sentences into past form, right? So learn well at home and do your exercise which is given on page number 41 and 42, 43, right beta? So thank you for this video.